Alright, man, you know what? Back to the test range, and I'm stoked. You know why I'm stoked? Hang on. You might notice that the desperation wires are gone. You know why? I'm done with them. I'm done with them. And I'm stoked, as a young person would say, like a wood stove, man. Went under the crawl space, ran the Ethernet wire from my bedroom to the living room router so I don't have to trip over that crap no more. And yeah, I'm stoked because I finally stopped screwing off and made a few contacts, and man, what I found is crazy. It's so crazy. In fact, I'm announcing my next project because I've announced it before. Same thing, man. I'm gonna run a frickin' wire out the window, gonna come down, and this one's only gonna be, yeah, it might be 6 feet high. More than likely, it's gonna be lower. I'm thinking 4 feet. Whatever. I'm gonna use whatever. And it's gonna be for 80 meters and fed half-wave desperation wire antenna. I want to see how long it ends up, and at a real low height, I want to see who I can work with the damn thing, because like a great guy named Gil of Ham Radio Prepper channel, he firmly believes in 80 meters in a chaotic situation, as do I. I almost killed him last fall. I almost dug that guy out. So anyway, next up, the 80 meter end fed desperation wire and some restorations. I've got crap piling up, man, and if I keep screwing around with the antennas, it's not going to get rebuilt. It's not going to get restored. You know what, man? There I go again. What? Hey, cacti. You're the best. You know, thanks for putting up with my crap. I wish you all poor souls the very best. 73.